Applying to different types of jobs? You don't need to edit your resume every time. With Lightforth's profile section, you can create multiple profiles for different roles and switch between them seamlessly. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your profile so you can create targeted resumes effortlessly. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Troy from Lightforth. If you want to simplify your job search and apply for roles with precision, this is the perfect feature for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create multiple profiles for different roles. Manage and switch between profiles and use them to generate tailored resumes instantly. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Log in to your Lightforth account. First things first, head over to Lightforth and log in. If you're new, sign up in just a few clicks, verify your email, and you're in. Step 2. Create a new profile. Now, let's set up your profile. Click on the Profile section in your dashboard. Click Create New Profile. Enter details like your name, job title, skills, work experience, and education. Save your profile, and you're all set. Step 3. Manage multiple profiles. If you're applying for jobs in different industries or roles, you can create multiple profiles and switch between them anytime. Want to edit a profile? Simply click on it and update the details. Need a new one? Click Create New Profile and start fresh. Pro tip: keep your profiles up to date to ensure accurate and tailored resumes. Now it's your turn. Log in to Lightforth and create your first profile today. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.